Hey Socialites, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Ariell. I create mainly beauty videos, fragrance, and lifestyle vlogs. So if that's the type of content you enjoy, I would love for you to come join the family by hitting the subscribe button. So today is day 8 in Vlogmas, you guys. I'm uploading a video every single day in December. So let's unlock day 8 in our Sephora advent calendar. So far, we've been getting some pretty cool stuff. So let's see what we got. Okay, y'all, so for day 8, we got an Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. This is cool. We've been getting a lot of stuff that'll be really cool for travel. So it's still dual-ended, has a little tiny tip. It's the perfect color because I like cool tone browns in my brows. And it doesn't have any warmth to it, which I love. And the other side has a spoolie. So that's perfect. So today we're putting up the Christmas tree. I feel like I'm a little bit behind. I usually put up the tree like the day after Thanksgiving or no more than like 2 days after Thanksgiving. Y'all, we're in December heavy at this point. So I'm getting the tree up today. We're probably gonna just do music or voiceover while we do this because this is a process. It's gonna be the same black tree that I used last year, except I got a lot more of the big ornaments, like the big globe shaped ornaments to go on there. And then also I found some ribbon. Y'all, I watched so many. This is the first year I actually watched tutorials on decorating a tree. Usually I just go for it. Last year I had an injury. I don't know if I told y'all that, but last year I injured my knee like really bad. I was out for the count for like a couple months. So putting up the tree was really difficult and super painful. So I'm excited that I'm in good health and good spirits. This year is nothing like having good health. It's like you don't realize how important that is until you don't have it. You know what I mean? So, and I saw something about layering lighting. So I'm gonna attempt to do that. I found some ribbon that has lights on the ribbon. Not sure if it's gonna work out, but I'm gonna play around with it and see what I come up with this year. Super excited for it. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, y'all, so this ribbon ain't no joke. I'm tired. This is some work. That little ribbon, I still got to put the ribbon on the other side, and I feel like that got my hands feeling weak. I'm going to take a break and come back to it. I feel like after the ribbon is up, it's going to be smooth sailing. To put the rest of the ornaments on there, it's not going to be a big deal, but that ribbon is not easy, okay? And I'm trying to make it even on the other side, and I can't see the other side at the same time. Wow. You sit down. You sit down. So lunch was really good. I had to pick up AJ from school, and now we're just pulled up to Bath and Body Works. Today is the first day of the sale. So early this morning, when they first opened, I was like the second person in line for the sale, and I picked up a few things, only a couple things because I had placed a larger order. That was at like 8 o'clock this morning. It's almost 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and I still don't have any updates on my order. And typically, the order is ready within like 2 hours. So I'm pulling up here hoping that they have not like sold the items that was in my order, you know? So I'm pulling up here to try to get an update on what's going on with my order. This morning, it wasn't chaotic. I thought it was going to be a line like it was with the candle sale, but it wasn't a line. It was only 2 of us in line. I was number 2, and then it may have been like 1 or 2 other people in the store during the time that I was shopping this morning. So it wasn't bad at all, especially to be the first day of the sale, the $4.95 body care sale. So we're gonna go in here. Also, I wanted to let y'all know, when I placed the order online, AJ likes pound cake, strawberry pound cake and lemon pound cake. They didn't have it online. They didn't show that it was available in store, but when I got here this morning, it was. So said all that to say, y'all, so some of the items that they may not show are in store may be in store. So you may want to stop in store just to see what they have. They may have some more stuff in store than what they're showing online, but we're going to go in here, see what's going on with the order, see if we can go home with the order. If not, we might just come back up here tomorrow. Okay, y'all, so they had like 100 and something orders in front of mine. So they ended up canceling my order, and I just picked up everything myself in store. And they weren't, thank goodness, they weren't sold out of everything. I thought they would have been sold out of some of the things I wanted. I didn't get as much stuff as I thought I was going to get, but yeah. So that's what happened. So we walked around, and I ended up fulfilling my own order. Let's get to the house and get done with this Christmas tree. I'm excited to see it lit up, especially the ribbon. That's something different. The past few years that I've had this black tree, I never used a ribbon. So let's see what it's given. Ariel, dig up some energy because it's getting late. Okay, y'all, so we're back at home. Let's get this tree done, and then we might do a haul. We might do a haul of the Bath and Body Works $4.95 sale haul. Depends on how tired I am after this. We're gonna see, but let's finish this up, and I need to put the skirt on the tree. Okay, so I am super tired. We're gonna call this video the Christmas tree fail because I don't like it. I just don't like it. I feel like it looks jumbled up, and I don't like the ribbon. I was trying something new with the ribbon. I've done ribbon before a few years ago with a different tree. That's when I had like a green Christmas tree, but it didn't have these big jumbo ornaments. So I feel like it just don't go together. It just looks jumbled. So I'm gonna redo the tree tomorrow. And too, you can see that bottom part, you can't see any lights through that section right there. And we're gonna have to take the tree apart to figure out what's going on with that section of lights. We tried. At least I know how we're gonna redo it tomorrow. I know exactly how I'm gonna do it tomorrow. So we're gonna start over fresh tomorrow and get it right, because I want it to be right even though I'm on the late show. So if you made it this far in the video and you haven't subscribed already, I would love for you to come join the family by hitting the subscribe button. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all on tomorrow's video. 'Cause I've been where you are. You're too scared to show me love, 'cause too fresh with the scars. Well, I don't have the answers.